Do you dream of having long, luscious locks that turn heads wherever you go? Do you wish you could grow your hair faster without spending a fortune on expensive products or treatments? In this video, we are going to show you how to make your hair grow faster and healthier. If you are tired of waiting for your hair to grow out, or if you want to repair your damaged hair, this video is for you. Keep watching to discover 10 easy ways to stimulate fast, thick, and healthy hair growth. Tip 1. Massage your scalp for a few minutes each day. Scalp massage is one of the easiest and most effective ways to stimulate hair growth. Simply use your fingertips or a scalp massager tool to apply gentle pressure and circulate motions to your scalp. Aim for about 4 minutes every day. Not only will it feel incredibly relaxing, but it will also increase blood flow on your scalp, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. Tip 2. Eat about 45 grams of protein per day. Protein is the building block of your hair. To support healthy hair growth, aim for about 45 grams of protein daily. You can find protein in foods like eggs, yogurt, chicken, fish, beans, nuts, and seeds. These delicious options provide not only protein, but also other essential vitamins and minerals for your hair health. Tip 3. Increase your iron and zinc intake. Iron and zinc are crucial minerals for hair growth. Iron helps transport oxygen to your hair follicle, while zinc maintains the structure and functions of your hair cells. Include iron and zinc-rich foods like spinach, kale, lentils, oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds in your diet. Tip 4. Make sure you get enough vitamin D, C, and B. Vitamin D, C, and B are important for healthy hair growth. Vitamin D stimulates the growth of new hair follicles. Vitamin C produces collagen that strengthens your hair, and vitamin B regulates the metabolism of your hair cells. Spend 15 minutes a day in sunlight. Consume vitamin C-rich fruits and vegetables like oranges, strawberries, broccoli, and peppers. And include vitamin B-rich foods like whole grain, eggs, dairy, and meat in your diet. Tip 5. Treat your scalp with oils. Oils are fantastic for nourishing your scalp and hair. They moisturize, condition, protect, and stimulate hair growth. Consider using coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, or argan oil. Apply them as pre-shampoo treatment, a leave-in conditioner, or during a scalp massage. Before washing your hair, apply the oil to your dry hair and scalp for at least 30 minutes. For a leave-in conditioner, use a few drops on damp or dry hair and massage the warmed-up oil into your scalp for about 4 minutes daily. Tip 6. Don't shy away from conditioner. Conditioner not only makes your hair soft and smooth, but also promotes faster and healthier growth. It seals the cuticles, preventing moisture loss, damage, and breakage. You can use conditioner every time you wash your hair, choosing one that suits your hair type and needs. Moisturizing or repairing conditioners work well for dry or damaged hair, while lightweight or volumizing conditioners are great for oily or fine hair. Tip 7. Be gentle with your hair. Treat your hair with love and care to promote faster and healthier growth. Avoid harsh chemicals, heat styling tools, tight hairstyles, and rough brushings that can cause damage, breakage, and split ends. Opt for natural or mild hair care products that are free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, and alcohol. Tip 8. Rinse off products with cold water. Rinse off hair products with cold water. Cold water helps to close the cuticles of your hair, locking in moisture, nutrients, and shine. It also reduces frizz, inflammation, and hair loss. After washing and conditioning your hair, finish off with a quick cold water rinse for a few seconds. You'll notice your hair becoming smoother, stronger, and more resilient. Tip 9. Skip daily washes. While keeping your hair clean is important, washing it every day can strip away its natural oil, leading to dryness, breakage, and slower growth. Instead, aim to wash your hair only 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your hair type and condition. If you have oily or fine hair, you can use a dry shampoo or baby powder between washes to absorb excess oil and refresh your hair. Tip 10. Get a regular trim. Contrary to popular belief, getting regular trims actually help your hair grow faster and healthier. By trimming your hair every 6 to 8 weeks, you can remove split ends that can lead to further damage and breakage. Trimming also helps maintain the shape and style of your hair, giving it a fuller and healthier appearance. Remember, you don't need to cut off a significant length. Just a quarter of an inch or so will do the trick. In summary, these are 10 easy ways to make your hair grow faster and healthier. By following these tips, you will nourish your hair from the inside out, improve blood circulation to your scalp, prevent breakage and split ends, and boost your hair shine and strength. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something new and useful. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beautiful tips and secrets.